this side ain't on it.
So we had to take down the mantelpiece in order to make the rotating thing go across. Because when I had the mantelpiece up, it wasn't enough clearance space so it can rotate. Didn't take this into consideration, so this will be very helpful for anybody who's getting a frame TV. When you're getting this TV, you don't need an outlet on the back of the TV. That was my mistake because I thought I needed an outlet on the back of the TV, so when I was getting the fireplace built, we had put the outlet on the back of the TV. But you don't have to. So what we're doing now is the wire that hooks up into the back of the TV, we're gonna pull that out of here. So this mount has two connectors. One is for this to make this rotate, and the other one is to power up the TV. So what we're gonna do is, with this part, we really don't need to have it into the back of the TV. So this part is going to drop down in there. We're gonna snake it over and drop it back out of here, and we're gonna put an outlet right here. Second part is because of this being so wide, and if you have marble tile on your fireplace, we gotta snake it behind this wall, bring it across, then bring it up and bring it down, then plug it back into the TV. Luckily, when we was building the fireplace, we built the mantelpiece, which that's on the floor. So we was able to take the mantelpiece off, but we also, now I need to go get this one piece of tile fixed. I'm gonna have to go order another piece of tile since we can't have the mantelpiece here no more. So I gotta get probably about two more tiles and get them to cut it and put it back in there and fill that spot back up. So run into a little trouble, but we're working it out. So my carpenter is going to the store. Because my ceiling was 9 foot, I could have kept the mantelpiece there. But because I have 8-foot ceilings and the mantle was there, when you do the rotation, it's no way, it has no clearance. So we have to take that down, which if I would have known that in the beginning, we would have never put it up there in the beginning. There's something to think about and look at the specs of the TV too, and maybe you can measure it that way. But just know, if you're trying to do the rotation mount, you got a mantelpiece and you might need to figure out how much clearance you have, because I have a 55-inch frame TV. So just be aware of that. We're gonna try to get it done, and I'll show you guys the end of the project. The rotating mount is the way to go. Okay, y'all, so we got the TV back up, and we were able to pull the cords down here and run it into the outlets, which is coming to over here from behind the wall. So we still got to hook the power. What I did to make sure that it's working, I hooked up another power source from over there to make sure that it was working right. We do got the rotating part working. Oops. So that's how it looks rotating. And it's all operated by this remote control. And I also took the trim piece off. So we took those off until we got everything put back up, but that's the brown color of the trim. So you can see it has magnets to go around. So this is day one of hanging the frame TV. We're gonna pick this back up tomorrow. We have gotten the knobs on the cabinet. Yay! It looks so nice. Yeah, I'm really liking it. We got this knob coming. Bam. This is the knobs that are going to go on all the doors. Where's this one? We're going on this one. We got some more to go. I got to order some more. This color I like gray, and I will leave that color below. We're moving, child. We are moving. We're about to get this done. The kitchen is almost done. Now to the decoration. Look at my bun, y'all. An old house to a new house. Hey, y'all saw the fireplace. We're still working on the fireplace on that part. We are getting there. We have been on this journey for a minute. And like I always say, life is good, baby. No matter what situation you're in, life is good. Take the negative out and put the positive in. I'm very pleased on how everything is going, y'all. My house had done a 360. I will bring y'all back on some more home decor and just like experiencing all. Okay, we're at floor decor, and I'm trying to find a backsplash. So I want to go with a picket fence tile. I gotta find a cute one. Okay, that's got too much brown in it. I need like something with white and a little gray. This might be too busy on the walls. We got a glass, but I'm not feeling that. That might work. And those up there are too many colors. See, that picket fence is gone. There, go up there, but that's a wider picket fence all the way at the top. Nothing is jumping out at me, guys. Nothing is jumping out. Look how good the frame TV look, guys. He's about to finish the 3 shelves over here, and we gotta figure out this again. Gotta figure that out. So yeah, I'm very pleased on how the fireplace came out. Let's let him get through with his work, and those 3 shelves will be done, and we'll be ready for staining our paint. All right, basement banners, we're getting ready to finish up the rest of the fireplace. And our favorite person is here, Kinder from the Great Firm. So we are getting started. We about to do this, get it down. And we're having a glass of wine tonight while we're doing this. It's from the Reunited, I guess I said it right, Reunited. Fizz fruit and semi-sweet. So, and I got some stuff off of Amazon. Let me show you what I got at Amazon. It got delivered today. So I bought these cleansing towels. Wash your face with instead of using your towels, the regular towels, because you know the bacteria and stuff, and you can wash your face with these and dispose of them. Maybe use it twice and just dispose of them. Then of course, my girl Peyton. This right here, where you don't have to keep screwing on each one of your caps. So you just screw it on one time, the bottom, and you can transfer from every device that you have. So like on my handheld tripod, all I have to do is pop this off and take that one and just click it back on here. That way I ain't got to screw it off. I can just transfer it, and then I keep one on my camera. I keep one on here and just transfer it over. That way, and I won't lose the caps. So I got 3 of them because I'm gonna use one for my phone, one for in the car, and one for my handheld and my tripod. So I might end up buying some more because these are really good. That's what they are, quick release plates. You can see, press these 2 together. It's a lock, unlock, unlock. Press it, pull it out, that's it. Then this can go on to the next one. And then you put, so you won't lose them, which is a really good thing versus you have to unscrew, 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 unscrew. And I'm gonna have a sip. And this is the towel that we're cutting. Let me show you. You think about cutting this towel right here and put just a black strip of towel right there to make it pop. And then the ideal, maybe an octagon going across. That would have been pretty though. Oh, I got some lip gloss from another YouTuber. Oh my God, I love this lip gloss. Hold on, and it comes with a lip mask for at night. So I got this lip gloss off a YouTuber. I like a nice lip gloss with a little bit of lip liner. This is Gummy Bear, like a purple. And then the one that I've been wearing is the grapefruit, this one. Then this is a peach right here. Then this one is a berry. They gave me this for free, a water sleeping mask. I haven't used this yet, this was just a tester. But they also gave me a lip mask, so I put that on every night, so I really like that. But these are good. Okay, y'all see the black strip? How cute is that? Look at that. It's so cute. With my new snap and go, I ain't got to twist, twist, twist. Hold on. Ooh, I love it, I love it. You guys see it? Look at it. The black strip. Since I had to take it down, now we just gotta paint the shelves. We're trying to decide if we're gonna go black or have a, oh y'all, this is so cute. Oh my God, it's so cute. Too cute, y'all. The fireplace is coming along. I can't wait for you guys to see it.